Did you know that just two simple words can completely change the way women see you? It might sound unbelievable, but when used correctly, they can transform how you interact with women and how they perceive you. These words aren't magic, but they hold a certain power, especially when spoken with confidence and purpose. In today's video, I'm going to break down how this straightforward phrase can make you instantly more attractive to women, why it works so well, and most importantly, how to integrate it into your daily interactions. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a game-changing tool that will set you apart from other men. But before we dive in, take a moment to support the channel. Hit that like button and subscribe. Did you know that just two simple words can instantly make you more attractive to women? The phrase "I want" may seem basic, but when spoken with confidence and purpose, it signals leadership, decisiveness, and clear intent, qualities women find highly attractive. Many men struggle with attraction because they appear too indecisive or accommodating, often saying things like, "Whatever you want," or "I don't know, you decide." Instead, confidently stating, "I want to take you out this Friday," or "I want to get to know you," shows certainty and direction. However, confidence isn't arrogance. It's about expressing what you want while respecting her choices. Try using "I want" intentionally for a week, and you'll see a shift in how people respond to you. Drop a comment on how you'll use it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.